Can we go to somewhere new? Yes.
I've got some super important science lab glasses. Put them on. Oh no, we're flowing.
We're flowing.
Towels, towels.
It's morning time. I need to wake up Evie. Morning time. Wake up. Wake me up. Come on, it's morning time. Oh, whatever. I was having a good dream. Hey, Evie, what should we do today? I don't know. We've already been to the donut shop. Yeah. That was really fun. We went to the salon yesterday. That was fun, but I don't want to go there again. We already went to the slime factory. What should we do today then? I don't know. Do you want to go to the store or mall? My phone's ringing. Hello? What? No. Well, where is it? Okay, let me ask Cora. Can we go to somewhere new? Yes. We'd totally be able to come. Be there in 5 minutes. Thank you. Bye. Cora, there's a new place we've never been. Should we go? Yes, let's go. Okay, let's grab our sandals and let's go. Yeah. Let's go. I am so excited to see the new place. Yeah. The toy science lab? What? No way! Let's go.
Welcome to the toy science lab. I am so glad you guys came. I am in a big pickle and I need your help.
Oh no, what can we do to help? Yeah.
Okay, well, I need some really big helpers because here at the toy science lab, we do lots of experiments. Come, I will show you. I am the toy head scientist. And that means we try out all the toys, we make sure they're working and that they don't break, but more importantly, we do the cool science things. But I need some big helpers because look at all these beaker creatures.
Whoa.
We have a ton of reactor pods and I have to find the special one. You think you guys can help me?
Yeah.
I've got some super important science lab glasses. Put them on, but I only have one lab coat. I'm toy scientist Greta. What's your name?
Cora.
Hello, Miss Cora. And what's your name?
Toy scientist Evie.
Oh, Evie. Okay. Here we go. Okay, Miss Cora, you put on your lab coat because it's gonna get a little messy. Have you ever done a reactor pod?
No.
Okay, well, let's go show it. We'll see what we can do. Okay, now that you're suited up, let's step up onto our little steps. Okay, these are our beaker creature reactor pods. So inside is a reactor pod. You might confuse these. These are not bath bombs. These are reactor pods. These cool beaker creatures come from a place called Learning Resources. They sent us a ton and I have to experiment and we have to find the special beaker creature inside. So each box might have one of these creatures. Do you see on the side? There's a creature inside of this. Inside. Do you see it? Okay. We have to find the creature inside. And I want to find all 24. Do you think we can find them?
Yeah. What's the special one?
The special one is Peeper.
Peeper.
And if we find Peeper, I get to have a scientist award and you guys get awards too. Isn't that exciting? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get to work. Ready? Start opening these. We gotta find and pull them out.
Peeper.
We have to find Peeper.
I got purple. can feel it. I got a blue. I hope it's Peeper.
Each of these boxes comes with the reactor pod with a mystery beaker creature inside, and it comes with a classification card. So we might be able to find Peeper. Or maybe the special one will be Twinkle.
Who's Twinkle?
Twinkle is down on the bottom left. It comes with a mini poster with science facts. Oh look, this one has Peeper on the science fact. See that? This one talks about buglets. They're all really cool. We want to find all 24, huh? Okay, you guys, we have unwrapped them. We are ready. Are you ready, Cora?
Yes.
Are you ready, Evie? Yes. They look like Easter eggs.
Right.
They don't smell like anything, actually. You're looking for Twinkle. You're looking for Turtle. And I don't know, there's so many good ones. I want to find them all. Because the more we find, the better science we get to do. Ready? Set?
Go.
Oh.
Who am I gonna get?
Let's do a double purple.
No! Mom, it's gonna get on the other ones.
Oh no! Oh snap!
This is Greta, it's gonna get on the other ones.
Oh no! Let's get our really important science tongs.
Go down.
Here we go. Orange. Oh no! We're flowing! Towels! 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 Look at this. It looks like a dreamsicle.
Yes.
Look at that. Do not eat these, children. Do not eat them. Oh.
Oh!
Oh! Oh no.
Mine started exploding.
Oh no. We're gonna lift it.
Mommy! Greta!
Science is messy.
Yes!
We are going to take the reactor pods out of, and put them in the clear water so we can wash them off and find out what we got. But we have a lot to get through, you guys. We have so many, we gotta keep trying, okay? Let's keep doing. Oh, you got blue in there. Oh, there goes your blue! There goes your blue!
Orange!
Get the blue onto the blue. No.
Mom,
I wanna put green. I'm not Mom.
Oh, sorry. Greta.
I am Greta.
This is the world that you know.
I am the toy head scientist.
You've been living in a dream world.
Mom, it's gonna get on the other ones.
We're gonna lift it.
Mommy! Greta!
It's impossible.
1 green, 2 greens, 3 greens. Oh no! Oh! More towels! I am not Mom. Did we dye my counter green? Okay, here we go.
Science lab's counter green.
Ready? 1 more green! Okay,
These ones
our
are done.
green reactor pods are done. Oh my.
Look at the red one.
Oh, look at the pink go!
It's not bubbling.
Well, let's double it up.
Double it.
Double mint, gum.
Triple it.
No.
Not
We're gonna triple pink and green. What color will that make? Look. It's like watermelon. That is cool.
Mom, Greta.
Oh, we're flowing. I'm so excited to see what pods we have. Greta. It's Greta. Scientist Greta.
Greta, look. It's
Better
flowing.
clean that up.
Mom! Greta!
I have no words. Whoa. Oh, look at this. Our reactor pod is almost done. I think we're overflowing. I think we need to take it to the sink. Time for the sink.
No more reds. Let's put a orange. calm.
Okay. I think it's the temperature in the water. The warmer the water, the more it foams, don't you think?
Yeah. This water's warm.
Yeah, see, these ones are not warm anymore.
Mine's not warm.
Okay, we are almost done. Now we're gonna open up our beaker creatures and see which ones we got. Should we do that?
Yeah. We only have 2 more.
Okay, let's do it. We are going to open all of them. And normally you just get 1 reactor pod, 1 beaker creature inside, but we have opened a ton and we are hoping to find, you want to find
I wanted to find that guy.
Hornfellow or Purtle, and you wanted to find Twinkle. I'm still looking for Peeper. Let's start opening them.
Oh, that one already opened.
Okay, ready? It's a green one. Who is this guy? Oh, he's got 1 eye. This is Cyclops. There we go, we got Cyclops.
Fluffy. We got Twinkle.
You did get Twinkle. Cora, you won. You got your very own beaker creature that you wanted.
We got Peeper.
Peeper, he's a buglet. This guy is Bello.
We got Pilo.
Oh, look at this guy, he's cool. There we go, we got Nat.
That's a big dude.
Look, we can classify them in their different sections. I got the gold creature! Discovered the limited edition 24 karat creatures. All right, we got Toother. Ooh, an orange guy.
That's the guy that I wanted.
What's his name? Hornfellow. He's that guy.
That's Hornfellow?
You got Hornfellow. Isn't that the one you wanted?
Yes, I got a Hornfellow.
Ooh, what'd you get? You got Swoop. Swoop is a Minosaur. I got Snowball.
Snowball.
He's cool. Oh, we got an alien. Cosmo. Astrolite. Oh, I got Freezy. Freezy. Who'd you get?
I got the gold one.
Oh, she got it. She is hiding
I got
it.
the gold one from this.
You got a gold Twinkle?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see him. Twinkle. I think we found them all. You're a winner and you're a winner. Well, I am so glad that you guys came today because you helped me out of my pickle. Do you know what that was? I was supposed to find a gold 24 karat gold creature and we did.
2.
And do you know who wants these special creatures?
Who?
The Toy Museum. Do you think we could give it to the Toy Museum? Yes. I don't think she wanted to give it up. I want to thank you, Evie, for helping me find the gold creature. Thank you, Cora, for helping me find the gold creature. I'm going to deliver these to the Toy Museum. Maybe if you're lucky, you can visit the Toy Museum another day. Farewell.
Well, Cora, let's take our favorite creature and it's time, I think it's time to go home. I got mine. Mine is Twinkles. I got Hornfellow. I wonder if they're gonna let us come to the Toy Museum next time. Wait, you forgot to leave your goggles. Oh, yeah. I wonder what toys there will be on the Toy Museum. They're gonna be the coolest toys ever, and we can see the gold ones that we opened. Yeah. Well, we better go home. That was so cool. Yeah. And we got to take home our very own beaker creature. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell. Bye. See you next time.